Welcome back to my channel. The 2025 Genesis G90 pulls into view, its sleek silhouette exuding luxury and confidence. The refined front grille, bold LED headlights, and aerodynamic design make an immediate statement. This flagship sedan is a testament to Genesis's commitment to innovation, craftsmanship, and elegance. Stepping inside, the G90 welcomes you with unparalleled sophistication. Premium Napa leather seats, intricate wood trim, and ambient lighting create an atmosphere of tranquility. The spacious cabin is designed to be a sanctuary, offering exceptional comfort for both drivers and passengers. Advanced climate control and a state-of-the-art filtration system ensure a pristine environment, no matter the conditions outside. Genesis G90 is cutting-edge technology. The massive infotainment display integrates seamlessly with the driver's needs, providing navigation, media, and vehicle settings at a glance. Gesture controls and voice recognition make interaction effortless. Passengers in the rear are treated to individual entertainment screens, wireless charging, and reclining seats, elevating their experience to first-class standards. Under the hood, the G90 offers a choice between a turbocharged V6 and an all-electric powertrain, catering to both performance enthusiasts and eco-conscious drivers. The electric variant provides impressive range and instant torque, while the V6 delivers smooth, responsive power. The adaptive suspension ensures a serene ride, absorbing road imperfections with ease, while all-wheel drive enhances stability and control in all conditions. Safety is paramount in the Genesis G90. The car comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The enhanced surround view camera provides a clear picture of your surroundings, making parking and tight maneuvers a breeze. Night vision and blind spot detection further enhance confidence behind the wheel. Lifestyle appeal. The Genesis G90 isn't just a car, it's a lifestyle statement. Every detail, from the bespoke sound system by Bang & Olufsen to the intuitive digital key that works via your smartphone, is designed to make life more convenient and enjoyable. Whether you're heading to a business meeting or embarking on a weekend getaway, the G90 ensures you arrive in style and comfort. The 2025 Genesis G90 represents the pinnacle of luxury and innovation. It's a car that redefines what it means to drive, combining breathtaking design, advanced technology, and unparalleled comfort. Experience the future of luxury sedans with the Genesis G90, a car that's as dynamic and inspiring as the people who drive it.